911. What's wrong?
My dad can't hardly breathe.
Okay, hold on a second, okay?
Okay.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Okay, what's your name?
Savannah.
Okay, Savannah, hold on. I'm getting them dispatched, okay?
Okay. You need to come real fast.
Okay, Savannah, I have them on the way. Is your daddy still awake?
Yeah.
Okay. Is your front door unlocked, Savannah?
Is the front door unlocked? No.
Okay, Savannah, can you go unlock that front door for me?
Sure.
Okay.
Don't worry, Dad. Okay.
Okay, Savannah, is the door unlocked?
Yes.
Okay, is he still awake?
Yes.
Okay, Savannah, just try to keep him awake, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I have the ambulance on the way.
Okay.
I'm going to keep you on the phone, okay?
Okay. We're in our jammies and we're trying to go to bed, but can't hardly breathe.
Okay. Can he talk to you?
Dad, can you talk to me?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, tell him the ambulance is on the way.
The ambulance are on the way.
All right, Savannah, just stay on the line with me, okay?
Okay. Stay calm, Dad.
Can you ask him if this has ever happened before?
Has this ever happened? No. So far, so good. He's still awake.
Hey, ask him if he has any kind of chest pain.
Do you have any chest pain? Yes.
Okay.
This is his first time.
Okay. I got him on the way, so.
Okay. We're in our jammies. And I'm in a TikTok, so I'll have to get dressed.
Okay.
I know what I'm going to wear, but he really needs oxygen real fast. Yes. The door's unlocked.
Okay. You tell me when you can hear the ambulance, all right?
Okay. I'm sorry, Dad.
You're doing a good job, Savannah.
I'll be in my room, and I'll be putting on,
Say, Savannah, I want you to stay there with your daddy, okay?
Okay.
I need you to make sure that he stays awake, so.
Oh, okay. I got that. And we have a dog that's really, small.
So he's friendly?
He's friendly.
Okay.
He kind of barks.
He kind of barks? That's all right, though. Is he still awake, Savannah?
Yeah, he's still awake.
Okay.
He looks like he's real shaky.
Hold on, Savannah, okay?
I am real shaky, too, so.
You're real shaky, too?
Yeah,
well,
because.
they're there to help your daddy, so don't be scared, okay?
Okay.
Are they there? Hey, Savannah, you did a good job, okay?
The room.
All right, Savannah, you did a good job.
It's okay, Daddy.